Hey guys, welcome back to this favorite channel of yours. In today's video I'll be showing you a very simple and natural way you can get rid of blackheads and whiteheads on your chin. If you have blackheads and whiteheads on your chin, this remedy is just for you. These two simple ingredients, apple cider vinegar and baking soda together, will work wonders on your chin. It's going to help dry out all the blackheads and whiteheads and any kind of acne around that area, and also it's going to lighten up that area, giving it an even tone. If this is your first time watching this channel, click on the subscribe button below and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos on this channel. And if you find this video helpful and useful, share with your friends and loved ones and give this video a huge thumbs up. The first ingredient we'll be needing for this remedy is bicarbonate of soda, also known as baking soda. Baking soda is very rich in antiseptic, antibacterial and antifungal properties. Baking soda is going to help exfoliate the area that is your chin. It's going to exfoliate it and it's going to deeply cleanse your pores, getting rid of any kind of toxins or dirt in your pores. Baking soda is going to help get rid of all the dead skin cells around that area, therefore give way for healthy and new tissues to grow. Baking soda is going to purify your chin and is going to help rejuvenate your chin and keep it smooth and tender. The next ingredient we'll be needing for this remedy is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is very rich in antiseptic properties, it's very rich in antifungal and antibacterial properties. Apple cider vinegar also is rich in toning properties and is also very high in anti-aging properties. Apple cider vinegar is going to help tone any dark scars or marks on your chin. It's going to help slow down the aging process of your chin, and it's going to promote healthy chin, and it's going to help rejuvenate and revitalize, and also it's going to keep your chin moisturized and smooth. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar. 1, 2. I need just 1 tablespoon of baking soda. With that, add it in. Look at that, guys. So we'll just go ahead and stir this together. So our blackheads and whiteheads remedy for the chin is ready. To apply this remedy, you go in with your cotton pad. If you have a cotton pad or a cotton ball just as this one, you just dip it in. Dip it into this remedy, and you apply it on your chin. A cotton pad will be more convenient because it's large and it's round. It's going to cover your whole chin. So you just dip it into your remedy and apply it on that area and allow it to sit until it's completely dried. Before you allow it to dry, you allow it to sit first for 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, you go in and massage it gently. You don't need to be harsh. You just need to be really gentle, because if you massage it thoroughly, it might aggravate the acne on that area on your chin. It's going to aggravate the acne and it's going to break out even more. So you just massage gently, massage your chin gently. You massage in a circular motion for 5 minutes, very gently. After massaging for 5 minutes, you just allow it to sit on you until it's completely dried. When it's dried, you go ahead and wash it off with warm water. The warm water is to open up your pores so that the remedy can completely sink into your pores. After washing it with warm water, you go in with cold water. Not washing it like this with warm water, you go in with cold water. You can take out cold water from your fridge, tap it on your chin to close back your pores. You repeat this remedy twice in a day for 3 weeks, and I bet you even after the second application you will notice a great change on your chin. You will notice your chin is more soft and smooth on the surface. You actually feel your chin very soft, and this is it, guys. And I just felt I should share this simple and very useful trick with you. Just go ahead and try it and let me know your results in the comment section below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and loved ones, and give it a huge thumbs up because I'm sure it was helpful and useful to you. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my videos on this channel, because I upload very useful and very informative videos just as this one on this channel. And I'll see you in my next video.